What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I caught this amazing buy trade on boom 900 index, got my entries at this point, then boom, price spiked up. I held this trade for a couple of hours to get to my targets, catching the spikes on a lower time frame, the 5 minutes time frame and the 1 minute time frame. Price has gotten to my target point, but I just decided to hold this trade so I could give you guys a trade review on this trade, sharing with you guys how I was able to catch this nice buy trade, what I saw in the market, my confidence is basically. But before we get into details, if you are new to the channel, do to hit the subscribe button, follow this page, drop a good comment on this video, like and share this video. Most of these trades taking their signals were shared to my signal group and on my Telegram channel. So join my Telegram community, link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section, so click to join and don't miss out. So I was able to catch this nice buy trade in this index. How did I know this index is going to buy from my buy zone, catching these spikes from a lower time frame view? Yeah, so on the 4 time frame chart, identified this market structure. Always emphasize on working with the market direction, having a directional bias from a higher time frame view. So on the 4 time frame chart, we've got this clear bullish structure where price created series of higher lows and series of higher highs. So identifying this, I knew that the market was bullish. I had the bullish expectations on this index. All I needed to do next was to spot out the zones and levels formed on this 4 time frame here, which I had this historical level of 9,711 to be a historical level of support, which was a level of resistance previously. Seeing the past reactions we've had on this level, price sold here as a resistance. After these fake out buys, got the sales resistance, price came back here, played around, had this bullish push, price bought support here, sold resistance at this point, support here as well, buy support, there was a break and retest. We got the sales resistance the first time, sales here, resistance as well, which price still we tested here, gave this little sales. When you zoom to the chart, we'll see the reaction clearly. This rejection, price dropped, consolidated for a while, got these bullish rejections, then we had another impulsive bullish spike to the upside. This massive green candle formed, indicating the bullish presence. So price pushed up afterwards, pushed up to these highs, then retraced back to this same level, like dropped down to this point firstly. This is also another historical level that I identified. So price kind of retested this level, even though we had this fake out sales. Price retested, pushed up, then dropped finally to this level as a support. So it was on price approaching this zone that I expected the buys on this index. And the point where price is rejecting from is basically a historical level of resistance, which was my target point, which is my target point basically. So I'll be closing this trade by the end of this video, because price has gotten to my target here. So price got to the zone and we're getting the rejection, which is expected because we have an order block formed on the zone that aligns with this historical level of resistance. You can see the past reactions we've had on this level: rejection, resistance there, rejection there, resistance, 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 resistance here as well. So it's expected for price to still reject from this level, giving the sales as a resistance. So that's the reason why I had my targets to be at this point and price bought to it just as expected here. So on the 1 hour time frame chart, I identified this structure, which is the bearish structure that was formed, that is forming up basically. Price created series of lower highs there and lower lows. So this is another reason why I worked with these points, expecting price to buy to this zone, to exit this buy trade here, having my target to be met at this point. So we have this resistance level, this trend resistance, because these boom and crash indexes, they respect trend levels a lot, trend support levels, trend resistance levels. So on this 1 hour time frame, we had this strong trend resistance level that price has been respecting, seeing the first rejection, second one, third one. So the fourth rejection here is likely expected, is expected basically. We could see price drop back to this zone, and we already have an order block formed on this 1 hour time frame. So we still have another buy possibility on this index. But coming to my entry reasons, which is at this zone, I entered because price approached this strong level of support, but I didn't just get my entries on this 1 hour time frame. I went to a lower time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, spotted a bullish structure that formed on my zone, yeah, where we got this higher lows. Sorry, this should be ticker, yeah, where we had these higher lows, about 3 higher lows formed there and higher highs. So this bullish formation was a signal that the bulls has come into the market on my buy zone. on this historical level of support, so I expected price to buy from this zone. So the next thing I did was to spot out an order block, a bullish order block that still formed on this my buy zone. Yeah, this historical level of support, a drop base rather bullish order block formation, where I waited for price to drop into the base of this order block, which is at this point. Then I stocked up my buy entries, expecting the push to the upside, expecting the buys, moving my stop loss below my buy zone, which is this order block zone, having about $2 risk on the minimum lot size of 0.2 lots. And boom, price spiked up. Price first spiked, giving this first spike here, then forming a double bottom formation on the 5 minutes time frame, this first low, the second low. So seeing this formation alone, I had more confirmations to hold this trade more, expecting price to push to these highs, and price did just that. So after this spike, I moved my stop loss above my entry to break even this trade, so I'd play safe and hold trades to run up more. So price spiked again, retraced a little, I think testing this broken trend resistance. As you can see, rejection here, rejection, resistance. Then we had this break retest. So this indexes respects trend levels a lot, so they want to take advantage of the trend levels when looking at future opportunities on the boom and crash indexes. So we had this retest, which price still spiked again, more like a broken trend resistance level, not on support. At this point, price spiked up, getting to my buy zone, and we had these fake out buys, which is to trap the buyers. Then the sellers came to the market and we could see price drop more in the coming minutes. Yeah, so that's how I was able to catch this nice buy trade on now red index, over $600 secured on this trade by just working with a simple price action market approach. Remember, I said this to have buy possibilities on this index because the market is bullish on the 4 time frame charts. Regardless of same price sell from this zone, price could still buy on the approach of this 1 hour time frame bullish order block, which I would still be looking out for potential buy opportunities on price approaching this zone. Yeah, so you guys can as well take advantage of the incoming expected buys on this index. If price can drop to this zone, you could see something like this, a bullish continuation. Yeah, so that's it guys. That was how I was able to catch this nice buy trade on boom now red index by just working with a simple price action market approach. And this new week could be going hard on the boom and crash indexes, and you wouldn't want to miss out on my 5 trade signals and on the high probability trade setups I shared. To join my Telegram community, link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section, so click to join and don't miss out. For more trade reviews like this and trade breakdown, do to smash the like button, drop a good comment on this video, subscribe to this channel, follow this page and share this video. Thank you guys, and do have a wonderful day.